Coconut Pavlova. Ingredients: Pavlova. 4 egg whites, at room temperature. 1/4 of a teaspoon Mackenzie cream of tartar. 1 cup castor sugar. ½ cup Mackenzie's fine desiccated coconut. Cream. 1 cup thickened cream, whipped. 250 grams mascarpone cheese, softened. 2 tablespoons icing sugar. 2 cups fresh or frozen mixed berries. Directions: preheat oven to 130°. Line baking tray with baking paper and draw 25 cm diameter circle on the paper. Place paper on tray with the pencil side down. Using an electric mixer, beat the egg whites and cream of tartar until soft peaks are formed. Add the sugar a few tablespoons at a time. Mix until combined and mixture is stiff and glossy. Using a large metal spoon, gently fold through the coconut. Carefully spoon meringue onto baking tray using the circle as a guide. Bake in a preheated oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Turn off the oven and leave meringue to cool completely in the oven with the door slightly ajar. To make cream, combine cream, mascarpone and icing sugar in a bowl and gently combine. Dollop cream on top of the cooled pavlova. Top with the berries,